Hi guys, welcome back to codolearn. Guys, in the last video of our series, we have discussed about JavaScript object prototype, and in this video we are going to discuss about object iterables. So guys, before getting late, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. But guys, before getting into our tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and like this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram also. So anyways, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. So guys, first of all, let me open Object Iterables, and here let me go to my VS Code and create a folder in our object and just name it as iterables like this. And guys, here we have to do nothing. We have to create a file first of all like this, index.html. Then here we have to wait a while, and let's discuss about JavaScript iterables. So guys, usually when we think of a data structure being iterable, we think of arrays and strings. JavaScript provides many ways to iterate over an array or string, ranging from the standard for loop to more modern variation like the ES6 for off loop. However, because objects are not inherently iterable, JavaScript has defined for in loop, in which is especially for iterating over objects. So in for in loop, iterates over each property name or key in the object, by which then you could access the value. The following example will demonstrate you how it works. So guys, first of all, let me add an abbreviation tag. Here let's add script tag, and here let's create a let's go to a website, and here let's see the syntax type. So here you can see first of all const object, which is our object, and we set properties like some prop, like some value. It depends on you what you have to assign here. So it totally depends on you. So it says some prop is equal to some value and another prop is equal to another value. Then we created a for loop in which it says let a keyword, I just mean let key, which creates a key variable of object.keys for object.keys, and we have to assign that object keys. So here we have to add console.log object key, then for let key in object console.log object key. So guys, let's do it with an real example. So guys, for that let me do something like this, and here first of all let's create const arr is equal to 1 2 3 4, something like this here. And after that here let's create a const str. Okay, why it is not okay like this? Const str is equal to, let's say, Kartik. Then here let's say for let number of arr, and let's make it as and in that for loop let me do something like this, and here we have to create console.log and says num, something like this. And here we have to add for let char, which is character str, like this. And here let's add console.log, something like not like this, something like this, and let's make it as car. So Control S to save and copy the file path, open it in our browser, and just wait a second. And here let's go to inspect element, then here we have to go to console. Right here you can see, and in the console you can see 1 2 3 4 and Kartik. So guys, this is how for in loop works. So guys, for a data structure to be considered iterable, the for off loop must be able to iterate over it. Now guys, let's see an example how the array and strings were directly iterated over, as opposed to the examples with the object, which only worked with the for loop, for off loop, using returned array from object.keys and object.entries. So guys, for that let's go to our website, and here you can see first of all here we created let array is equal to 1 2 3, and we created for let number of arrays console.log the num, which is number. Then we under the hood we set up that arr system dot I just mean arr is our array symbol dot iterator. Then we return an iterator which says let array iterator is equal to array symbol dot iterator. Then array iterator dot next and returns the value. Then array iterator dot next again. Then num, which is number of number, is equal to iterator array iterator dot next dot value and console dot log the whole num. So guys, let's write this code. So here for that, let me delete this, and here let's add let arr like this, arr 1 2 3 4 like this, 4. Let me remove this comma here. Then here we have to add for let num of arr like this, which says console.log num. Then here we created arr symbol. Let me add symbol like this, symbol dot iterator like this, nothing fancy here. Then guys, here after that we have to add let arr iterator is equal to arr symbol like this, symbol dot iterator like this, symbol dot iterator, something like this. And after that here we have to add arr iterator like this dot next, something like this, dot next. Then again we have to do this. Then here we have to add num is equal to arr like this, num is equal to arr. And in our source code here you can see num is equal to arr iterated dot next dot value. Let me copy this whole thing and paste it over here like this. Control is to save. And guys, you can see here it says 1 2 3 4 and 4. So guys, this is how JavaScript object iterable works. So guys, in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about more. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.